Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. What's up, G?
What up, boy?
What's up? What's up? Damn, wait, what? 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 Whole squad out here?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Leo?
Polishing.
Jeez. Yeah, bro. Hey, is this your Z, bro? Is this your Z?
Yeah, bro.
Shit, shit's sick. Hey, Jesse, whose Z is this? Hey, why is this yours, bro? Why is your ad name different?
Oh, bro.
Why is it different?
Cause I let other people for $5 put their ads on my car.
Ah,
Free exposure. Free clout, bro.
Oh, I get it.
Money marketing idea.
I get it, bro. Makes sense. Makes sense. All right, so we're gonna be working on the Civic today. More specific. Ooh, piece of candy.
Oh, piece of candy.
Ooh, piece of candy. Anyways, we're gonna be working on the bay today. Hey, I'm trying to vlog here. I'm trying to vlog. Hey, I'm trying to vlog. Well, something came in the mail a few days ago. Oh shit, thank you, Jesse. So we got this, which is like a shave kit for the engine bay. Hey, just 5 minutes. Thank you. So yeah, so basically it's already pre-cut for all the holes in here.
We get it. Gosh. Ooh.
What the fuck you say me? What the fuck? What's up, dude? What's up?
Get him, man. Get him.
But yeah, so it's basically a shave kit. You just weld them in. They're already pre-cut, made for the chassis. So it's gonna make the bay look a lot better.
We're going back to the bay. What are you doing? Get a car wash?
I'm going.
You're gonna scrape your paint with all that dirt. What are you doing?
Bouncing my wheels.
Oh. What am I doing? A whole lot of nothing. See, Leo get these shit shiny. I don't know how he does it all the time, but he does it. Pretty easy.
I don't know where half of these go.
What do we find out?
Take the staples out because you're gonna rip up the paper.
Got some motherfucking instructions.
Some instructions.
Hey, good thing there's instructions.
Good thing there's instructions.
I had no clue, dude.
It would be like that one movie. Instructions not included. No. All right, Andy. So, what's the plots with this?
Well, I'm still trying to take out these damn instructions. So give me a second.
Hey, you put the Jeopardy thing. Dun 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 dun.
I think I got it.
Right, we'll come back.
Ask your cousin, Leo. Ask your cousin.
Jazz, I like this front bumper.
Thank you.
Ooh. Sheesh.
Whoops.
Oops. Damn. Alright, buddy. So, what's to say?
Alright, so we got our fucking instructions.
Oh, so you just gotta put number 3 and number 1 and number 1.
So number 1 covers this right here. Number 2 covers this one right here, and they're all numbered. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Alright, anyways. Number 5 covers this one. Number 3 covers, I think, yeah. What is it? Where the fuck is number 3? Is it for?
Wait, number 3?
Yeah.
Number 3, my lord. Number 3.
This down here.
Is it?
Look, number 3. Oh, it doesn't say. Is there? Yeah. I want to say it's gonna be for this, for the heater.
That would make sense.
Yeah. Number 7.
Hey.
Let's see.
hard at work.
I give up.
Already, Andy?
Yeah.
But you're so far. What are you doing?
I gotta vacuum the inside of my car.
What are you doing?
This is nasty. Oh shit. Yeah.
Barely any use on the filter. Hey, lightly used vacuum. Oh god, 500 OBO.
Perfect.
Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright. Got on polishing it from the inside. Doesn't look as good as the outside lip, but whatever, it'll do. Alright, so I'm gonna put my wheels back together. And to put them back, there's a certain way this thing goes back together. So it looks like where it says, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, you can tell where the valve stem is. Lines up to this right here. Where it says, what is it, 680, 690 kilograms. So that should go like so. Now I gotta put all, I believe, 22 bolts and torque them down, and then it should be solid. My boiler working, trying to take out the dash.
Bro, fuck this. Fuck dashes.
Yeah, no, it's just gonna be.
Alright, so like Leo was saying, the storage got full, but yeah, I'm almost done taking off the dash. I just need, this is pretty much off. I just have like a Phillips screw hanging it up, but I believe there is a few bolts underneath all that, and there's a few on that side. This side's already loose, so I think yeah, I think it's just a few bolts on that side, and then underneath all that.
Alright, what you got, Leo?
I gotta torque it now.
Torque this bitch down. We gonna get this shit set. You know what it is. Doing the best, but nothing but the hits and nothing but the hits. Oh no, I'm sorry guys. I apologize. I'll be on that sometimes. So this is how y'all treat me? On a hard day at work, y'all just gon'
Hello? Hello? Wrong number.
Oh.
You want it? Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
They do the same amount of damage anyways.
Where are you gonna put that?
Bro, look, it comes with the fucking perfect.
Civics. Instant Corona holders.
Alright guys, so got a little beer. Now we're ready to finish this. So I'm gonna finish ripping out the dash because watch, come here. So I gotta rip out the dash in order to rip out these heater hoses. I wanna take that out because the block off plate.
These two
that's
right
for
here,
that.
Andy?
And then I'm also gonna delete this. This is the harness for the fuse box. So I'm gonna just push everything in there, and then we'll be able to fucking weld that up as well and shave that. So yeah, I gotta take out the dash.
Perfect. Boom. Boom. Where else would you guys find good ass content like this? Well, where else? I'll tell you that shit. Look, you got this, you got this. I don't know about that. But you got this, you got this. You got this.
Alright, so I'm taking off the bolts on this dash on this side. So this one I just left it in there, but it's out. I just put it there so I don't lose it. But now I'm taking one off that's in there somewhere. And yeah, so slowly but surely, guys. What's up?
Are you on 10 yet?
Bro, whew. Bro, that bowl is fucking huge, bro.
It's alright, bro.
It's probably longer than my dick, bro, to be honest.
What happened?
I think I got all the bolts that I said in the video, but I don't know, it doesn't seem like it wants to come out.
Son of a bitch.
God damn it.
You goddamn motherfucker. You're not Andy. There you are, Andy. I was scared for a second.
No.
Alright.
We gotta take more cables out.
Alright. Fuck. Almost, guys. Almost.
Again?
Okay. So what'd you say, Andy? What's going on?
So basically we just got rip out. Well, not rip out, but the harness is the only thing that's keeping it up. It's like all tangled in there, so we can't pull off the dash. So I'm probably just gonna break these plastic tabs, to be honest. Just probably buy new ones.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
This is my boyfriend. Hi, boyfriend.
Hey, dope ass hat.
Woohoo! Woohoo! My boy got out there. Fancy pants today. Alright, Andy, any progress?
Yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully this is it. Hey buddy, you wanna give me a hand real quick?
Another hand?
Yeah.
I'll put my pants back on.
Alright. I'm gonna fuck him later.
This is the type of quality you guys get here at Broke Boys channel all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and censor the rest of that because Andy on some bullshit.
Help me pull it up.
As you can see here, we're taking off the dash. I've been here for about like 15 hours. Andy sucks at this shit. He's amazing. I've been here for a couple hours.
Oh, you're good. It's the
How's it coming?
whatever it is. It's on your side.
Yeah, I think it's
Oh, it's still in there.
the harness.
Yeah, you can see it from right here.
Let me see.
It's hooked on.
Was it? I don't know if you guys can kind of see it.
Bro, back the fuck up!
Oh, shut the fuck up. Okay, guys. So Leo, this is the third one, right, Leo?
Yeah, third one.
All right, let's look at these. Woohoo! Damn.
It sucks on the camera. I can't really pick up the color. It looks
No,
more like
but- damn.
lighter. I know it's all gloomy too. Yeah.
Hey, still that look fire. Good job, Leo. Alright.
Alright, so Marcel helped me on the very, very last clip. Shout out to you, bro.
Shout you out, bro.
But the dash is ready, bro. Oh, shit. You're heavy.
Damn.
None of my G.
You said, damn, it's heavy.
Wait, is that everything?
Oh, the e-brake.
Whoa.
Bitch ass dash.
Wait.
Yeah, it's my car. I'm standing by it. This shit's all bit.
That shit's all wobbly.
Let's cut that shit off.
What?
Oh, your rims are poking out.
Shit, it's Brian.
Oh shit.
Bro, the block is hot. The block is hot. Oh, is that a dash? Oh.
No.
Yeah, everyone, let's go home. Oh, yeah.
Hey, you ordered some new cable or what? See, you ordered some Verizon files.
Buy everything.
I don't need it.
Hey, sir, I'm not interested in solar panels, sir. No, thank you.
Oh, good, because I'm not here for solar panels. I'm actually here to sell you guys some dildos. Got some nice 6-inch, 7-inch, 10-inch, black, white.
What the? Why did you say so, bro? How much?
I'm like, all right, guys, check it out.
Sheesh. That lineup, though, we got Honda, Toyota, and that was not even planned. Not at all.
I got murder on my mind.
Alright guys, so I honestly wanted to start working on the bay today, but I did not realize how much work this was gonna be. So if you guys are a little confused, I had to take out the dash because, for example, if I want to delete the heater hoses, I have to do that inside and with other stuff that I want to delete. And also, I might as well just delete, well, not delete the brake lines, but I'm gonna tuck them. And then that is gonna be inside too. And the harness for the fuse box, I'm gonna tuck that inside too. So yeah, taking off the dash was necessary, but it's gonna be worth it because the dash is gonna look good. So I'm not even tripping, it's gonna be worth it. And I might as well just flock the dash. So now I gotta make all this stuff somehow fits in here without breaking anything else. So yeah, I got a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah, I'm gonna end off the video right there. That took way longer than I expected. It was my first time taking off the dash. We all struggled with it, but now when we put it back, it's gonna be a lot easier. It's honestly not that bad. It was just because it was our first time, but now I know how to put everything back, so I'm not even tripping about that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So much content and so much more work is coming on the Civic, so yeah, stick around guys, because this is gonna, dude, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna undergo such a huge transformation. Like, it's gonna be, this car is gonna be unrecognizable. Slowly but surely, just steady at it, a little work here and there every day. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. It's always gang shit around here. It's always gang shit. Stop.
Be righting my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your